Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we are fixing a T5 LED light tube kind of thing. These are quite inexpensive. They're about $9-10 each. The more branded ones you can get for 20 bucks. But you know, these replace the fluorescent tubes that are in the ceilings. You know, fluorescent tubes have big casings, they have balas, they have starters, they have multiple glass bulbs, but this thing is plastic, so it's much safer and better for your eyes. Do consider changing out everything. In today's episode, we have a faulty one up there, and I'm going to show you guys how to replace it. It's really easy, so do stay tuned. And with that out of the way, let's get to the video. Okay, so in this client's house, the T5 has kind of burnt off its ends. It's shorted and it burnt. This is probably due to corrosion. You know, this is the bathroom after all, so you get a bit of corrosion. Let's just put that away. Lucky enough, this place comes with one of these connectors, so it's really easy. You just pull it apart and we have a look. So there's a bit of corrosion going on there. The contacts still look nice and brown coppery, so we still can use this one. We just need to take out all the burnt wires. So grab a test pen and, you know, take out all the burnt wires. Okay, there we go. We got all that out. You see these burnt wires. Okay, put them aside. Alright, while I'm here, I'm going to test if there's power flowing through that, just to make sure that there is no switch issue. So I'm going to turn it on at the power source. And using my contactless, so there's power flowing, no issues on that wire, and the switch is doing fine. Now we come in with the new T5 light. I'm gonna put this up here for the time being, and let's talk about what's in the pack. We have the connector. This is a three pin one. The middle connector, as you can see, it's this yellow line, and that's your ground. This light runs on AC, alternating current. So the left and the right, white ones, okay, has no particular orientation. You can put them in any direction into the connector. In the small pack, we have some screws. Okay, this is a bracket, and this clips onto the side of the T5 like that. And you can screw these onto the ceiling or onto the wall, and these you know, clamp the T5 light in place. There is this connector, this one. You can use this to daisy chain lights together. So if you look at the end, this is a 3-pin, so the connector goes into here like that, and then you come along with another T5 light and you click it into place like that. Okay, you can fit about 8 lights per daisy chain. Okay, try not to go more than that. Right? So back to this setup. So nicely, they've already stripped the edges for you. Peel them apart to give yourself a bit of working room. There you go. 2, 3. Okay, and what you want to do is to twist the ends like that. Okay. Now look at your connector and look at the one over here. There are also 3 wires: blue, green and brown. So happens the green one goes to the center, which is ground. Okay, you have the left one, which is neutral, which is the blue, and the right one is brown. I mean, I can bring you closer, but I hope you can see from there. Yeah, So when aligning this, okay, you want the green one to enter the middle, like that. Okay, this is a bit long, so I'm just gonna double it in. Okay, the green one to enter the middle screw. And yeah. Okay, and you have the two white ones, and as I mentioned before, there's no polarity, so the white ones can go in any terminal. Okay, there we go. When connecting these kind of fittings, alright, what you want to ensure is that the screw pinches onto the copper of the wire and not onto the insulation. If you are pinching onto the insulation, you won't get a good connection and you may even get arcing. But once that's done, give it a bit of a pull to make sure everything is, snug and, nothing comes out. That should be all good. Okay, your 3 pins go into the tail end here. Alright, and then we connect everything, we put everything together. Once that's done, we test. There we go. We have light. Okay, my friends, so that's how we fix a T5 light bulb. You can do it for cove lights, you can do it on top of your cabinets. It looks really, really, really good. Yeah, so if you like that video, do give me a like, share and subscribe. Oh, and one more thing, I'm trying something new. Okay, everything, okay, my outfit, my tools, okay, and even the lights and stuff, you can find all this in the description down below. Yeah, so check it out and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.